For redress to properly happen, South Africa, almost every corner of society and especially government institutions need to be representative of the demographics of the land. Ngakho kwenzeka kanjani ukuthi i-IDEC ine top management that is not reflective of the society of South Africa. Bese-ke it was voter registration weekend. Engabe wena urejistile, and what's next?
Politics, justice, umnotho, emphakathini. The stories that matter, wrapped up for you every week. This is the Gagasi FM News Wrap, hosted by Siphumelele Zondi.
Angibingelele igama uSiphumelele Zondi nondaba ofika nezindaba every single week la kwiGagasi FM News Wrap. Siyazibona izinto sidiscusswa kwi-IDEC, and one of the issues that are coming up is that almost all their top management is of Indian origin, and that does not reflect the demographics of South Africa, especially in a country that must have massive redress. Uzokwazi ukuthi 80% of South Africans or thereabouts is of a Black African origin, and those are the people who were most marginalized during apartheid. So in order for redress to happen, kumele kutholakale abantu abamnyama kuqala, ikakhulukazi abantu besifazane abamnyama kuqala, and abantu besifazane are actually the majority in South Africa as well. So in order for every corner of society to be representative of society, then it needs to be Black females first. It's only if you can't find the quality that you are looking for, perhaps, that you can then start looking outside, and maybe you can justify ukuthi why did you go ngaphandle. Kodwa ke inkinga khona laphaya kwa-IDEC, we are seeing kwiMadlanga Commission ukuthi the allegations are showing that it is the worst of society, it is the rot of society according to the evidence that we are seeing kwiMadlanga Commission. So why did they go for what the allegations are showing to be the worst of society, especially if they are not reflective of the demographics of society? In contrast, you are looking at the evidence leaders who are reflective of the demographics of the land. They seem to be the best of society, which shows ukuthi abantu abamnyama bakhona in South Africa who are the cream of the crop. So kwenzeke kanjani ukuthi laphaya kwi-IDEC ekuyiyona engabe investigator i-corruption kungatholakali i-cream of the crop that is also representative of the demographics of abantu abamnyama in South Africa, as the top leadership seems to be all Indian people. Ngenkathi sisekhona lapho kwi-Investigative Directorate Against Corruption, uMamuluku Kubayi, Minister of Justice, useshilo ukuthi kuyinkinga kona ukuthi uresignile umuntu ongathi ubesevela ephenqeka izinqe during the allegations that were happening with-Andrea Johnson obeyisikhulu esikhulu khona laphaya kwa-IDEC. Uresignile and uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa umvumele ukuthi resigna ayithole impesheni yakhe, i-golden handshake angayithole, and on top of that there's been suspension of the other members who are in top leadership khona laphaya kwa-IDEC.
Arrangement, when a person resigns, there's nothing you can do. You can't force a person to remain in employment. That will be violating of the laws. But as well, when you take a person to DC, the ultimate price of an employee in DC is dismissal. So there's no another mechanism in terms of labor law. But if the person has violating if there's criminal activities that have been undertaken, then criminal procedures must follow. If the person has done other things, then other mechanisms must follow. So within the employment space, where it's an employer and employee relationship, that's where it ends. But accountability as an officer of court doesn't end there. You would note that some of the people have actually gone to LPC to report. The IDEC check is working. If they are found to be other things, then the procedures will follow. So we don't think that when a person resigns, that's the end of it. We do believe strongly on accountability, especially if the actions actually led to where we are.
Sisemi khona lapho kuyona iIDAC. Umkhonto weSizwe Party says they have written to Parliament to say, well, maybe iDAC should be dismantled. And umsebenzi obewenziwa iyona iIDAC noma owenziwa iyona iIDAC njengamanje, according to the umkhonto weSizwe Party, kumele uthathwe and gets handed over to the Hawks. Engabe ke mhlambe lapho siyazibuza ukuthi akuyona i-centralization ongazuthi imkhonto weSizwe Party kanye nayo i-leader nomsunguli walo leli qembu Jacob Zuma ongathi uvela ongathi uyayithanda even within his organization himself, umethi dismantle iDAC, umuve yonke into to the Hawks. Does that not centralize izinto eziningi zama investigations zamaphoyisa ze-justice eSouth Africa? Siyazi ukuthi kuwona umkhonto weSizwe Party a few things have been centralized zamuvela kuyena umphathi weqembu uJacob Zuma ukuthi uthi ay usezozibambela usezozenzela, kodwa ke that is the suggestion of umkhonto weSizwe Party ukuthi akube nezinto ezimuvayo ziye with the Hawks ongathi idismantlishwe i-Investigative Directorate Against Corruption i-iDAC. Sisekhona lapha kwiMadlanga Commission, i-leader ye-Economic Freedom Fighters i-EFF uJulius Malema uthi angeke yena aze avele phambi kwayo iMadlanga Commission. Igama lakhe selike lavela kaningana kwiMadlanga Commission. Ama-evidence leaders athi ungathi kunama-text messages, ama-WhatsApp noma ngabe avela ngayiphi indlela lama-text messages phakathi kwakhe no-Andrea Johnson ekuyisona isikhulu esisulile laphaya kwi-iDAC ngemva ukuthi nama-allegations neyinsolo nokuthi kukhishwa i-evidence kuvela ongazuthi ungcole ngalendlela. And uma ngabe livela igama lakhe uJulius Malema kwi-conversation phakathi kwakhe no-Andrea Johnson, abanye bakhumbula ukuthi ngenkathi u-Andrea Johnson evele laphaya kwi-ad hoc committee yaseParliament bibheka zona lezi ze-iDAC, uJulius Malema uke wamncoma u-Andrea Johnson waze wambiza nangeshoshovu sezomzabalazo uWinnie Mandela ethi yey uWinnie Mandela weyikhathi zethu. Kodwa nakho ongazothi sekuvela ukuthi kuke kwaba nama-text messages ethi iMadlanga Commission mhlawumbe kungamele eze azochaza ukuthi bekhulunywa ngani kulama text messages.
So don't think that there is some scaremongering about Madlanga against me. Me? Hey, lena le tuta na le lata man. Ale leni. Na gichabisilo. Nothing. Because I've got nothing to hide.
Bese uyasibuza ukuthi kuhluke ngani mesethi akayithandisisi indlela eyenza ngayo izinto iMadlanga Commission uJulius Malema, njengoba esho njalo ukuthi angase angaveli laphaya kuyona iMadlanga Commission ngoba phela ibheka yona lenkohlakalo ephakathi kwamaphoyisa, ama-politicians kanye ke nomsebenzi nje owenziwayo kwi-justice system yakhona la eSouth Africa ukuthi engaba amaphoyisa are-infiltrated by igebengu yini na. Uke wahlala kwikomiti laseParliament uJulius Malema elibheka zonke lezi zinto okukhombisayo ukuthi kwasekuqaleni ubengayiboni inkinga yokuthi ziya-investigatewa lezi zinto. So what's changed ukuthi athi manje akayithandisisi indlela eyenza ngayo izinto iMadlanga Commission? Could it be that what has changed ukuthi sekuvela elakhe igama ukuthi kumele azochaza ngelakhe igama nama-text messages?
Zuma doesn't train. I want to say their names, man. They will think I'm scared of them. What are their names? Those cigarette guys who used to work with Duduzane in KZN. No, there's a guy, man. He's known in KZN for cigarettes, and he's an Indian guy for cigarettes and security. Kaji. They are the Kajis. Kaji, they call him. He tells Madlanga, Kaji calls Khan and put him on the thing, on video call, and then Khan starts saying the things he said to this guy. Kaji doesn't trend. I'm asking you the name here deliberately. You don't even know it. A name of a person who called a member of an ad hoc committee to speak to Khan. That is not a problem to you. Zuma, who organized that young man knew that if he's called by that lady of Zuma to a meeting and he doesn't go to that meeting, the job is finished.
Ngabe wena uregistile na, ngabe sewukulungele yini ukuvota yini na, as it was the voter registration weekend, the final one this past weekend. Kuyasho ke kodwa ukuthi kumele sibhekisise nezinto ezivelayo einkundleni zokuxhumana, because there's a lot of disinformation that the IEC is worried about, that they say is happening and is doing the rounds about the processes of voting, about some of the political parties, about some of its work.
In local government elections, you may only vote for a ward councillor in a ward in which you are ordinarily resident. Furthermore, this is important because in a local government elections, you do not have an opportunity to vote outside a voting station of your own registration. So everyone has to be registered in the correct ward.
Right, and that's all we have for you. Remember, uthi podcast yethu uyithola on all our digital platforms every single week. Uma ngabe nawe unama comments ngayo yonke into esiyixoxayo khona la kwiGagasi FM News Wrap, ungayishare eyakho i-comment khona la ngezansi. And mina nawe sesoyikhuluma ke la sesiyikhuluma khona uma sehlangana bukhoma.
Catch a brand new episode. You can watch the vodcast noma ungalalela i-podcast kwi-app yethu noma inini noma kuphi. Gagasi FM News puts KZN first.